all you beautiful Stardust people out there, and welcome to day 52 of my 366-day creative challenge, in which I challenge myself to write, compose, and paint every single day of the year 2020. So, now I want to show you how I made my first bird. I always make things. No, I paint things. I'm not making them. I'm not God. Okay, how I painted my first bird. And of course, this inspired me to write the poem. A poem for the winter bird. Thank you for the chirps, little bird. You make my winter warm and happy. I promise that this summer I will build a bird feeder. When summer ends, you're welcome to it. Bring some friends.